15s are rolling. We're on rec. Preferred entry to be short is 22 and 25. Various points of control. At this daily level, 22.50. Market tapped out just above, or a failed try to get through. High price of 28.50 for a possible 28.75 entry. Trade was not taken here. Cumulative delta turned back around to the downside. And there we are. Preferred entry now exceeded at 22.25. Two probes on the CD below that level to be short. Looking for a rally to the daily level, if possible 20 and 50. It's either that or this is a shakeout to the downside and prices will turn back around and then trade up. If more volume comes in, fives are clearly set up to the downside. 15s have turned around to the downside.
Yeah, delta's increasing.
One minute EMA is temporarily up. 5 seconds it's up.
There's some negative volume in.
There we go for the follow through, looking for that daily level there at 20 and 50. A 5-second turnaround here. Trendline violation here, negative 28, 34, 37.
2050 was hit.
Copy that.
And again. Strong volume came in at 1400 long. Off the lows.
Right. The setup is still to the downside. 15s, CMF, MFI. What I'm looking at right here. Look at this. We're into the ground on CMF. We're still on rec.
It's 1400, just went long.
Right. So if this daily level is held at 22 and 50, yeah. Price is trading MTM 22, 22.25. Maybe we'll get the bounce off of that, off the original preferred entry. Additional volume comes through for a sell-off to get through and a better fill at 20.25. Fifteens at 19.19, 17.50. Nothing yet. Minor uptick on CMF MFI. MFI now back down. Minor uptick on CMF on the 5s. Exceeding daily level by a tick. MTM 22, 50, 22, and 75. New current level on CDs right here, below 14.5, it's laid up by this pattern here. For the break, downside here.
I have larger size contract sizing, 3,000 over the short over long.
Copy that. Everything's back down in our favor. 15s are good. 5s are good. We didn't do bad on the call. What's holding it? Only a tick above last bar's open, 22.50. Price is now exceeding to the downside. There you go, cumulative delta. Copy that, leading the way.
Copy it.
Okay.
That was a test to the previous low.
Right here.
Yeah.
Copy that. Drawn from 907. Five-second BMA now back down. 1 minute way down. Level 2 order standout. The downside is 1919 for 599. 604, 599, 824. No follow through yet. Okay, let's put the recording on hold up and until prices may continue to trade down, follow through. Time is now 9:43 a.m. Eastern, 1/11/2016. Back with the VTC, 9:45 a.m., 1/11/2016. Looking for the current program trading within the outlines of the channel 2250 and 2050 to get taken out by the largest players to either get through 1920, 25, back down to some of these previous levels that were established in the past, extrapolated onto the future for a profitable trade, or prices will trade up. It's one or the other. They will not stay in the channel for a long period of time this morning. Setup is still to the downside based on everything we're looking at right now. We're looking for the follow through on the cumulative delta to the downside for the confirmation that larger players will be short. And that has not yet happened.
No.
Delta proved out and a move to the downside. The preferred entry is hit and exceeded. MTM 1950 after the preferred entry at 2025. 15-minute level 19, 1750, 1625. Delta continues to move to the downside. 1 minute VMA is way down. All charts across the board. Clear. Let's see how prices hold at the original preferred entry. Possibly the level of 2050 for the continued movement to the downside. $15-minute level hit again, 1919. Delta's in our favor.
Copy.
Charts. Increase momentum to the downside. CMF, MFI, and the 15s and the 5s. secondary entry at 19, 17, and 25.
Watch for volume to support here at 1625. 700 on the 650 or so contracts. Five-second VMA on uptick.
Copy that. Okay, follow through and play. Delta confirms. Copy that.
Copy that.
I'm going to take that.
Nice.
Here we are, 2062.50. Long trades, short trades, dominant side of the market this morning was short. 111, 2016. This morning in the BTC trading room, Mark Sasella, Jeff Killian, and Fred C. We had identified two separate trades here outside of the long move was made earlier this morning. Our buys were still to the downside after the market had retraced off of the session high area 2850 for the downside. Throughout the rec, we have clearly identified the program trading that existed here and waited, employing a positional advantage for the 2025 and then again possibly 1725 to go lower. So for this morning's trading, we are very profitable across the board, all traders. It is now 9:53 a.m. on 1/11/2016. For myself and all members of the BTC, we'll pick it up on the next demonstration.